If you're going to take care of your car, why wouldn't you take care of your website? I know nothing about cars, just like you might not know anything about a website, but they actually have a lot in common. So let's break it down and keep it simple. Your car, you're gonna probably change the oil, you're gonna, get new tires, give it a nice shine, make sure that you fill it up with gas so you can use it. Your website is really similar. There's lots that has to be maintained. You have to make sure that it's set up for SEO and you're monitoring that. You gotta update the software, add new pictures, change the content, make sure it's being shown in search engines like Google. There's a lot to do when it comes to these big investments that you have, and you have to make sure that you take care of it. If you're gonna take care of your car, why wouldn't you take care of your website? So you may not know what you're doing, like I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to a car, but that's why there's experts out there. I will leave this to the mechanics. So make sure that you have an expert when it comes to your website to make sure that you're protecting your investment and everything's being maintained.